We had an amazing time exploring the heart of Prague. Our walk took us through the charming streets to the iconic Old Town Square and Prague Castle, which are truly a sight to behold.
We have to turn right in 450 meters. Should be somewhere there. Otherwise it doesn't make sense, right? That's the one you can see from yesterday night. Nice. Yes. Huh? There is the dancing house. What? This storefront.
Huh?
There's a souvenir shop we can buy there.
Yeah, but you can buy cannabis.
No, don't say that. Yeah, because there's no problem in looking for place to have lunch.
This historic square, known for its vibrant atmosphere, is surrounded by beautiful medieval buildings, including the famous astronomical clock on the Old Town Hall.
Behind the block, the guy with umbrella. Huh?
There's a guy with the umbrella, and there's a guy with the umbrella.
Yeah. Maybe that's the one. That's so confusing.
As we strolled around the square, we also got to appreciate the stunning Ten Church with its towering spires that dominate the skyline, and the St. Nicholas Church, another Baroque masterpiece. The Old Town Square is not just about history, though. It's filled with energy, especially during the day.
Huh?
The clock, built in the 15th century, is a popular attraction, offering an hourly show where figures of apostles emerge from the clock as it chimes. It's a perfect spot to relax, enjoy a coffee, and soak in the incredible views of Prague's architecture.
That is the bus that we have been waiting for. We are going to Prague Castle.
After enjoying the square, we made our way to Prague Castle.
The castle. It's beautiful. Is it? Oh, you still have to walk further. It's for the castle. Just for the castle. Can have a look later.
The castle complex, which dates back to the 9th century, stands as one of the largest ancient castles in the world. It's an imposing sight, with its grand architecture and panoramic views of the city.
Huh?
You want to see the cathedral?
I am not sure. Oh, here is better.
We took our time exploring the different areas of the castle, including St. Vitus Cathedral with its beautiful Gothic design and colourful stained glass windows. The entire area is a mix of history, culture, and breathtaking views that make it an unforgettable experience.
Going to try this one, Bombardino drink.
A bombardino is a popular Italian drink, especially enjoyed in ski resorts during the winter months. It's a warm, rich, and comforting cocktail made with eggnog, brandy, or rum, and sometimes a bit of whipped cream on top.
Huh?
Perched on a hill, Prague Castle offers stunning views over the city. Visitors can enjoy a bird's-eye view of the old town, Charles Bridge, and the Vltava River. It's especially beautiful at sunrise or sunset. There's no shortage of things to explore and enjoy in the area. I hope you enjoyed this short walking tour as much as we did. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye.